with Grok as many slowdown. So you see, like it slowed down a lot. So let's put the D. So D. So stat info list file systems. Wow, too many options. So you see, I just need something to test it out, you know. So you might say, Gauthier, you are falling into the same things you are doing. No, because I'm not going to continue with macOS extensively. Okay, so that's why. But kind of, yes, but I have to, you see. I lose so much time on everything else, you see, because of all the problems they're creating, and like kind of the political aspect that I have to do, okay, because I have to push for this, okay, so I have to do the political upset, the political side, you see, and so basically here's it. So let's put it in so let's create the directory, because apparently sometimes they don't create the directories. So mkdir, for example, let's call it image clear image. And let's do this. Let's see what's in the image. Okay, it's working. Wow. Oh. Okay, because you're not super user. Okay. You see that's a weird error. It says because you're not super user, and just after it says the file already exists. That's weird. So you see, like, they literally made the command 2 times. You see, how can I work on this? Okay, going to remove the clear image directory. Okay, you see, it's weird. So you see, there's no more super user error, but it says, so you see, like, they're creating errors in everything, right? Like I said, like 100,000 times, that basically to make a great, like, top level thinking, you have to do details level thinking. I'll explain it like thousands of times. Apparently, a lot of people are still, so either they don't understand, or so it means that they have a really low IQ, or basically they are bad people. You see? So file clear image USRlib modules kernel net filter xt dscp ko already exist. So you see, it's weird because it's something that basically I'm extracting. So I'm extracting the file, and apparently something already exists. So and I did not do the integrity sequence. You see. So you understand why I first speak about what I want to speak, because otherwise I forget. Okay. So then I have to do the integrity sequence, but they made me forget the integrity sequence. You understand? So xt, okay, so it says xt dscp already exists. So you see, when they do an error like that, sometimes, most of the time actually, it's it could be interpreted. So xt dscp ko already exists. So what does this mean? Xt dscp xt space dxcp ouais. Okay. Already exists. Okay. Net filter xt okay. Okay. So not going to interpret this one. Why? Because I'm not sure about what it means. But basically, usually, when they do an error like that, it can be interpreted. Ok? Donc, quand ils font des erreurs comme ça peut être interprété. Ok? Donc là, j'essaye de unsquash, et vous voyez, il y a des erreurs qui apparaissent. Voilà. Donc là, en gros, j'extrais en gros des trucs d'un fichier, et apparemment, il y a une erreur comme quoi un fichier est dupliqué. Mais un fichier est dupliqué dans ce que je viens d'extraire. Donc vous voyez, c'est bizarre. Vous comprenez? Donc voilà, donc ça c'est des erreurs qui sont créées. D'accord? Donc je vais pas interpréter puisque je suis pas 100% sûr de ça. J'ai fait des interprétations pas mal. Regardez dans les vidéos ça. D'accord? Donc, bon, là je sais pas quoi faire. Peut-être qu'on peut le supprimer. Allez, on va essayer de le supprimer. On essaie de delete. Allez. Hop, on run squash. Est-ce que ça marche? Alors normalement il va me le ressortir, mais bon, au cas où. On sait jamais. Donc là il me dit fail to make directory clear image boost because file exist. Ok. Bon, c'est la même chose. Alors, est-ce que dans unsquash, on peut exclude? Ok. Donc on va exclude. So we're going to exclude the file. Okay. So usually it's possible to exclude file like this. Okay, so we are going to exclude this file. So list of files to be excluded. Okay, so let's just treat files on command line as exclude files. So let's terminate it with this. Okay, so let's use exclude list. Okay, so for example, exclude lists, and let's exclude this file. Okay, well, so let's first remove you see, so I did that. Look, regardez, j'ai fait ça juste avant. Voilà, ça a marché. D'accord? Regarde. Ici, ça a marché. Ok? Là, je viens de le faire. Permission denied. Exactement la même commande. Sur le même fichier. D'accord? Ok? Évidemment, ça, je clip. Là, on a un excellent exemple. Un des meilleurs exemples, là, en 1 minute, on comprend. C'est celle-là. Hop.